Hello guys, I'm doing good. Today I'll show you how to wipe on your iPhone. Wipe means like your reset on your iPhone. So why you want to reset your iPhone? So sometime we face my phone is too much slow, and also I have many unnecessary files and many things. So it's easier to erase. You just wipe on your iPhone. I mean reset. So how you can do it like this? So just you just should looking settings. Okay, I'm go settings. Now you can find here general. So I just type here general. I find it. So there are many options, but you should like scroll down and here in showing like transfer and reset iPhone and below the shutdown. So I just tap here transfer or reset. All right. So also many things here you just ignore and you can just scroll down and choose the transfer and reset iPhone. And here in showing what you want to reset, like you want to like transfer any other phone, then it's the get started and reset, totally reset, and erase the content and settings. If you want, then you can just tap here. So here in coming the pop-up and showing my information, like hearing showing apps and data 124 gigabyte and my Apple ID and find my activation lock and eSIM. Everything will be erased. Here if I like tap continue and next step. So I just show to you for tutorial and education purpose because now no need it is my phone. So I just back. So that's it, and please let me know if you have faced any problem, and please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.